Looking for the best digital oscilloscope under $500 in 2024? You're in the right place. In this guide, I have listed 5 top picks that offer impressive features without breaking the bank. These digital oscilloscopes come equipped with essential functions such as high bandwidth, multiple channels, and user-friendly interfaces, making them ideal for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. Whether you're troubleshooting electronic circuits or conducting experiments in the lab, these budget-friendly options have got you covered. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So let's dive in and explore the best digital oscilloscopes that fit your budget and requirements. Number 5. Rigol DHO802. I recommend this as the best reliable digital oscilloscope under $500 on our list. It offers ultra-low background noise, ensuring purity in signals without missing even the smallest ones. With 12-bit hardware high resolution, it maintains clarity across all series. Featuring up to 70 MHz analog bandwidth and 2 analog channels, it includes external trigger ports on dual-channel models. Real-time sampling rates of up to 1.25 GHz samples per second, and a storage depth of 25 million points ensure accurate data capture. Its vertical sensitivity ranges from 500 microvolts per division to 10 volts per division, and the Ultra Aqua mode allows a waveform capture rate of up to 1 million waveforms per second. With a 7-inch high-definition touchscreen and the user-friendly flex knob, it provides an intuitive interface. Connectivity options include USB device and host, LAN, and HDMI ports. Moreover, it supports waveform search and navigation functions for quick signal anomaly identification. The product comes with a 3-year standard warranty and includes essential accessories like a power cable, USB cable, ground wire, and 2 probes. Number 4. OWN HDS272S. This is the best portable digital oscilloscope under $500 on our list. It's a product from OWN, known for its reliability and functionality. Powered by a lithium battery, it consumes less than 3 watts, making it energy efficient. With a 3.5-inch high-resolution color LCD display, it's suitable for outdoor use. This digital multimeter offers a wide range of functions, including measuring AC or DC voltage or current, resistance, diode, capacitance, and on-off tests. It boasts high sensitivity and accuracy with strong anti-overload capability. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with its powerful performance. Equipped with excellent oscilloscope features, it offers 2 acquisition modes: high refresh, heat storage, and various auto measurement options. Additionally, it comes with waveform generator functions, making it versatile for different applications. Number 3. FNZ 1013D+. This is my pick for best performance digital oscilloscope under $500 on our list. It's professionally designed with a real-time sampling rate of up to 1 gigasamples per second and an analog bandwidth of 100 MHz multiple by 2. The oscilloscope boasts complete trigger functions for both periodic analog and periodic digital signals. Featuring a 7-inch 800 by 480 resolution display, it offers bright colors and high contrast. Its ultra-thin design makes it easy to carry. With a built-in high-voltage protection module, it can handle continuous voltage of up to 400 volts. Plus, its 6,000 mAh lithium battery allows for up to 4 hours of continuous use. Operating this oscilloscope is a breeze with its efficient 1-button automatic device and easy waveform saving and screenshot features. It comes with 1 GB of storage space for up to 1,000 screenshots and waveform datasets. Number 2. Hantek 2D42. Looking for best value digital oscilloscope under $500? Check out this battery-powered oscilloscope with multimeter and waveform generator functions. With a clear design and weighing only 16 ounces, it's convenient to carry around. This device offers a 40 mHz bandwidth with 2 channels and a sampling rate of 250 megasamples per second for single channel and 125 megasamples per second for dual channel operation. Its operation is simplified with auto measuring functions, adjustable backlight brightness, and auto power off features. The oscilloscope function provides a vertical resolution range from 10 millivolts to 10 volts, along with cursor measurement and waveform storage capabilities. Additionally, It features a digital voltmeter function and a multifunction digital multimeter for measuring various parameters like AC or DC voltage or current, resistance, diode, and capacitance. With high sensitivity, accuracy, and anti-overload capability, this device ensures clear readings and ease of use. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty and 30 days worry-free return policy, ensuring 100% satisfaction. Reach out for any assistance during usage. Number 1. Silicon Technologies SDS1104XE. And my top choice for best overall digital oscilloscope under $500 on our list is this one. It's by a brand called Oscilloscope and runs on US power. The style is decoder, and it comes in a sleek gray color, weighing around 6.6 pounds. Now, what makes this one stand out? Well, it includes a standard decoder for IIC, SPI, UART or RS-232, CAN, LIN protocols, which is pretty handy. Plus, it offers 16 digital channels, MSO, for the 4-channel series, an option worth considering. And if you opt for the 4-channel series, there's also a USB AWG module available. So in essence, it's a versatile tool with a decent range of features packed into its compact design. With a package weight of around 4.0 kilograms, it's not too heavy either, making it suitable for various setups. And there you have it, folks. Your go-to guide for the best digital oscilloscope under $500 in 2024. Now it's time to dive in and pick the perfect one for your needs. Remember to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy oscilloscope shopping!